Okay, this is Sounds of Beethoven. There's 3 separate songs. The first one, for all of them, your thumb of your right hand's on middle C, the thumb of your left hand is right next door on B. We start on E. All of these songs is forte the first time, piano the second time.
Yeah.
1, ready, go. E, B, C, B, 2, 3. B, C, B, A, 3.
Play piano.
D, C, B, A, 2, 3. Here's the second one. This is right hand on E, left hand on B. 1, ready, go.
Right,
B,
left,
B,
left,
A,
left,
A,
right,
B, B,
left,
A,
hold.
2, repeat.
Right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left, hold.
All right, now we're going to do number
Can
3.
you-
This is A minor chord.
Yeah.
1, ready, play.
Can
2,
you hear my
2,
foreplay?
2,
Four,
2, 3, stop. 2.